How to buy Tinder Swindler token. So this token came under the symbol of TIND. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do all research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use code below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. As you can see, this token, it's available on the screener and it created by 23 hours ago and increased by 1,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's made your investment in a safe place. Also, this token trending number 13 on Solana section. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now, opinion wise, I will use the function mind for that. Click on swap here and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. As you can see, click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here we'll be able to see how much you receive. Now select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all this information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here customer, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy TIND token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.